Hey y'all, it's Chuchi here again, and we're doing a review for Elemo today. They came with this comb, stocking cap, a little like makeup brush, and some lashes, and also the wig, of course. So I had got a 20-inch straight full lace wig. Like, this hair is really good. I really enjoyed this hair. I'm just showing you that it parts all the way through. And even though it's a full lace, the back is not really a lot of lace back there, but I didn't mind that, and I actually preferred for it to be like this because you see how easily I'm putting it into a ponytail and it doesn't look anyway. So yeah, we're gonna take the BW2 powder and the Clairol 40 white and the brush, and we're gonna go ahead and plug the lace and bleach the knots only on this front part because I'm not gonna be caring about the back like that off camera. So this is me. I did it off camera, and yeah, I pretty much already had put the glue down. I'm sorry that footage had got erased, but you guys know what time it is. Go on one of my other videos and look at how I glue down my lace. It's super easy. I use Bold Hold Active because I'm a sweaty girl, and yeah. So this is it. I pretty much just glued it down, like did my perimeter where I'm gonna lay it, and I just laid it down and pressed it down with a comb. Like, it's really simple. It's 1,000 videos like that. So what we're gonna do is just cut it off, you know, and a jagged edge. You see how I'm going back and forth with the comb, and then I'm just cutting around, making sure everything is perfect. The lace was a medium brown color. So if you are a person that likes to have your lace exact, it would be really easy for you to tint it. And if you are lighter than me, then I would suggest getting a transparent lace or requesting a transparent lace. Obviously, that would be more money. So, yeah, this hair is super smooth. Like, y'all, I didn't even straighten this hair or nothing. Like, do you see how straight it is, straight out of the, you know, the packaging? So great hair, and it was super smooth. The hair, I didn't have to add that much oil to it. It has a lot of luster, and it was very thick, you know, for the consistency of the hair. It was 150 density. So yes, for a full lace wig, it was definitely 150 density. The length was true to length. Elemo Hair is definitely a great hair. I wore this wig like on and off, I don't know, like 6 times, and right now I added some long bundles in it. It's 30 inches now. So just like I showed you guys before, this is the Ruby Kisses, same powder I always use, and I'm just, you know, matching the lace as best as I can to my skin. I really didn't have to do much, like I said before, because it was already pretty much my color, the medium tone. I'm just getting the edges so that it can blend seamlessly. And then I'm gonna cut my edges, and I'm just gonna do 2 swoops. Y'all, during this video, I was about to be late for my flight, so I had to hurry up and do it, but I did not want to install it first without doing a video for Elemo. So yeah, just doing the edges, swoop swoop. I did another swoop on the other side off camera. Boom, there it is. We're just gonna straighten it. This how y'all know I was rushing. Look at that. Like, who does that? Nobody does that. But this how you get a fire, okay? Lay it to your best of the abilities at the time. Okay, and that's it. I didn't even flat iron this hair, y'all. I literally just flattened the top and called it a day. But that's really how you know it's a great hair. The hair didn't have any smell. It was very easy to manage. The lace was great. It's just awesome. You see, just showing you guys everything about it. It's so great. The way you put in a ponytail was awesome. The hair was just smooth through my hand. Just awesome. Like A+++ for Elemo Hair. Like, honestly, I would definitely buy from them again. So easy to install, and I didn't have any problems at all. Clearly, as y'all can see, this video was only 5 minutes long. This was a super easy install. I'm gonna add a picture at the end, and I hope you guys like. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.